fire, fire, fire.
Hello everybody, my name is Joy O. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your old boring bathroom into a tire renovated bathroom. First you need 4 tires. 1, 2, 3, 4. This tire needs to be washed because it's old tires, so it needs to be washed to kill any bacteria. So I'm using some of this one right here to wash it up. And once they are washed, we're going to dry it up. I will tell you the next stage.
Fire, 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 fire.
Okay, after you wash your tires, you dry it up, you're just going to stack it together like in this is 3 and this is 4. So we're going to set this apart, and then I would like you to come with me. I will show you what the bathroom I'm going to do that. So this is the old boring bathroom. This is back in the I think in the 90s. So right now I'm going to turn it to tire renovated bathroom. So what I will do is to take everything out in order for me to do that. So let me get my equipment. I will show you what you need next. Thank you.
Fire, 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 fire.
The first thing I'm going to do in this bathroom is I'm going to take this mirror, this big mirror. I'm going to take it out. But before you take it out, you need your safety glass so that nothing will flash in when and open it. And you need a boring knife.
Fire, 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 fire.
You need a duct tape. You need a heavy gloves so that you won't cut yourself. And also, you need a hammer. So shall we start? The reason why we're taping the mirror is to prevent the mirror from breaking. Okay, after you finish taping, you need to remove the light bulb because you need to get into the top. So at this time, I'm going to turn off the lights and turn off this light so that I can see what I'm doing. Turn this off, and then I'm gonna get on this ladder right here. I'm gonna take off this, take it up gently, put it down, left and right, little by little. After I loosen the little bit, I'm going to take the mirror out, okay? Right, it's out. I'm going to put it down. Okay, after the mirror is taken down, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this sink. Before I do anything, I'm going to go under the sink and turn off the water. Bear with me. under the sink so that the water will not be all over the floor. So out. The next part is to take this cabinet out. What you will need, you need a potting knife, you need a ruler, and you need a hammer. First of all, I'm going to put it ruler over here. Oh, and this went in. Well, and then I'm going to use it. So this part is out. My jigsaw is going to help me to cut this one. Like I said, if you can't do it by yourself, you need to get some help because you need to be professional in using this because this is dangerous. So I encourage you, if you cannot do that, get somebody to help you. Tie underneath. Okay, now that everything is out, I'll cover this up because I don't want it to be, I just use a piece of cloth to cover that up. So after I finish this one right here, I'm going to use my potting knife to strip this off. Everything is covered, so you're going to leave this for 45 minutes. put some few things together. Okay, everybody, this is the conclusion of the bathroom. Let me show you how it looks. See that? I hope you like what you see. Please subscribe, like, and press the like button.
Yeah.
Bye.